Vacator software is a groundbreaking way to automatically register 3D point clouds. The technology behind it emerged from University College London and shows significant advances in the way survey data can be registered. We are excited to be showing the latest version of our technology running in the cloud in what we believe is a world first for automatic registration. By operating in the cloud comes the associated benefits of accessibility, speed, and security. Vacator software saves time in the field through targetless scanning and for documentation with our mobile app, as well as faster point cloud processing in the office with our desktop or cloud products. Tests have shown a reduction in processing time of up to 90% while meeting industry standards for accuracy. For example, 172 scans were successfully registered in 5 hours in the cloud. Please visit vacator.com for a free trial on the cloud, or check out our app by searching Vacator in your app store.